I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my book, Rediscover Algebra and Trigonometry. Excellent book for grade 8 to 10 students. We will now understand how do we rationalize the expressions 2 over square root 3 and 2 over 2 minus square root 3 are the two examples which we will solve. The first one is very simple. So when you have 2 over square root 3, you can multiply and divide by the denominator, which is square root 3. Right? Once you do that, what you get is 2 square root 3. And in the denominator, square root 3 times square root 3 is 3. One more step which you could do is, if you multiply 3 and 3 is 9, you get square root of 9. So some students do prefer to write like this. However, you could straight away write down square root 3 over 3 as your final answer after rationalization. Now let's look into the second part, which is 2 over 2 minus square root 3. So in this particular case, where we have 2 minus square root 3, we multiply and divide by its conjugate, right? So the term is conjugate. So what is the conjugate? If you have a plus b, I or something, let's say, let's write I for now, then a minus bi will be its conjugate, right? Plus and minus kind of a thing. The idea is a plus b times a minus b gives you a square minus b square, right? Okay, let me remove I and write it as such. Okay. So a plus b, the conjugate is a minus b. So in this particular case, 2 minus square root 3 is in the denominator. So what is its conjugate? 2 plus square root 3, right? And when we multiply and divide by the same thing, in that case, we are not really changing the numbers, right? It is exactly the same number. However, what has happened here is that the numerator 2 gets multiplied with 2 plus square root 3 will give you 4 plus 2 square root 3, right? And the denominator, a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square, which is 2 square minus square root 3 square, right? Which is 3, 4 minus 3. And so what you get here is 4 plus 2 square root 3. Because in the denominator we have 1, 4 minus 3, right? Or let me rewrite here, 4 plus 2 square root 3. And here we have 4 minus 3, correct? So the final answer is 4 plus 2 square root 3. So that is the result of rationalization. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear. If it is a simple number, then just multiply by the same thing. So we know that square root of a times square root of a basically is a. So that is the concept. Otherwise, we multiply by the conjugate. And in the case of conjugate, product of sum and difference is difference of squares. And that helps to get the answer. Perfect. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you need to know more, check our website globalmathinstitute.com or send an email to globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thank you and have a great day.